right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my winner's choice number 2. So we'll check the time, April 10th at 3:06 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. And we have April 10th or 3:06 p.m. There is the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Paulie. Spot 14 is our winner. So, Paulie, please PM me to make your selection. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, April 10th, 3:07 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.